my name is Mina Lee. I'm a aesthetic facialist. Today's beauty school, we're going to do how to stretch your neck and shoulder muscle. Firstly, we need to breathe. And then when you breathe, always your hands in the heart chakra. So breathe in and then exhale. And I like to try to do the shoulder muscle. So grab the muscle, breathe in, and then breathe out, opposite side. So you need to be able to feel the trapezius muscle. Some people has got very big tension. You kind of have to pinch the muscle. That means that you do need a really good massage. So breathe in, pinch, breathe out. And then put your fingers inside your cervical bone here. Breathe in, breathe out. And then also pull your chest muscle away from your neck. Breathe in, breathe out, and then turn opposite side. And on top of the chin, your two thumbs up. Breathe in, out. Now you're holding one hand in left shoulder and one hand in the right side, but the center, always breathe in. Breathe in and breathe out. Now holding this shoulder down like this, and put your hands on the other side and behind the ear like this, holding. Breathe in, center, out. And then 45 degrees like this, and then put it down. Push. And then coming into the middle, breathe in and down. And gently massage on this area, pressure point like this, and then breathe in or opposite side. Now also you can feel this muscle is very important. This is all the lymph nodes behind here. And then pinch this muscle gently, not too hard aggressively, but to pull it outside. And now you can actually stretch this muscle. And then now, this is the muscle we need to massage. Opposite hands, going in there, just gently pull the muscle to the other side. And now gently stroke. Can you see different this of the jawline and this of jawline? And then your bone stretch is different. And your neckline should be different too. Thank you.